Hello guys, welcome to the iTunes channel on YouTube. Today we are in the fourth lesson of WordPress. Today in this lesson we will work with header and footer and menu. Today I don't work with XAMPP. I'm using on live hosting. I have hosted z2n.net for using in this tutorial. Now I come and visit my website. This is the website that I have, but I don't have any menu in here. For adding a menu, I come to appearance, then menus. This is the menu that I have. This is the menu for primary menu for here. Now I come and add some items. I can add pages, but I don't have any pages, and I will add it later. But I want to add custom links. Hash is for a redirect. I want to add this too. Now if I refresh my website, I will see this two in here. Now I want to add a page. Add new page. Then I come to lipsum.com. and generate 5 paragraphs. I copy this. I refresh this. Now I have about us. To add it in here, I simply click on add to menu. Now if I refresh my page, I have about us in here. But about us, now if I click on home, it will refresh my page. But to go back to home, simply I add instead of hash a dash. I save it. Now I refresh my WordPress. Now if I click on home, it will go home page. Anywhere that I am, it will go home. Now I want to add 2 more menus, but menus to be hovered or when click, it will be collapsed. For doing this, we have learned it how to add it using HTML and CSS, but now it's too simple with WordPress. Menu 1, menu 2. I have added this too. Now if I hover on contact us, I will have 2 more menus. It was about menu that we can assign for our WordPress website. Now we go for the we go on footer. For changing, for adding item to footer, we need to add it by widgets. Simply we go to widgets, and here we have footer and inactive widgets. We can add only in the footer in this template. I will work with another template too. Now I have this, but I want to add another item in here. To add another, below recent comments I add an HTML code block. Now custom HTML. I want to update it. Sorry for the mistake. Now if I add it as added with HTML, this added to our footer widget. Now I go back. I want to activate another template. There is too many differences between templates. Some templates has many places for widgets, but some has few. But in the next lessons I will teach you how to add custom widget area. Now we come to themes and activate 2016. Now if I refresh my page, the menu didn't change because always we have one menu. The styles changed. Before our widget was here, but now they are in the sidebar. Now I come to widgets, and here I have sidebar, content button, button 1 and content button 2. For the sidebar I can edit them easily in here, but now I don't want to teach you the best skills or to be master using WordPress. It's for WordPress beginners, for beginners that want to learn WordPress, want to create a blog using WordPress. In the next lessons you will learn more and more. In the next month or the other next month I will start professional WordPress teaching. Guys, if you want to learn more, simply subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. Have a nice day.